Copart is an online auction platform where you can buy and sell vehicles, including salvage cars, trucks, and motorcycles. You can make money with Copart by purchasing undervalued vehicles, fixing them up, and reselling them for a profit. Here's how to do it. Create an account and get a membership. First, sign up on Copart and choose a membership level. There are basic membership options, but for bidding on vehicles, you will likely need a basic or premier membership. Browse auctions and buy vehicles. Copart specializes in auctioning vehicles that are damaged, but still have potential value. Look for cars, trucks, or motorcycles that are undervalued, often due to minor damage or wear. Pay attention to the vehicle condition reports and photos provided to assess the potential cost of repairs. Repair and resell. Once you buy a vehicle, you can either repair it yourself or have a mechanic do it. Fixing up a car can significantly increase its resale value. After repairs, list the vehicle for sale in private listings or through local car dealerships. Flip for profit. If you purchased the vehicle for a low price and made repairs at a low cost, you can sell it for a profit, making money through flipping cars.